Hi everyone, it's me Kate again. I welcome back you to another episode of our tutorial videos, and in this video I'm gonna show you how to know if someone is online on Snapchat. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is on your device, just go ahead and open Snapchat app. After that, on your screen you will see your profile at the top left hand corner. So again, tap on your profile. So just scroll a little bit and you will see my friend option just below add friend option. So tap on my friend option to know if someone is online. Suppose I want to know if this account is online. What you have to do is the simple step, type a message and send to that person. After you are done with sending the message, open your chat and then see if the message has delivered or not. If you see delivered on that account that you have recently messaged, that shows the account may be online or offline. But if it says open, that means the account is online. The next trick that you can try is again go on your profile at the top left hand corner and then again go to the my friend option just below add friend, and then on to that account and again go to that profile, again scroll a little bit and you will see snap map that shows the live location of that account, and in this way you can see the active status of that account. So in this way we can know if someone is online on Snapchat. I hope this video helped you, and if you are new to the channel and if you like our videos, make sure to subscribe our channel, like the videos, we will highly appreciate that. And thank you for watching till the end. We will see you on next video.